Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fish maw soup, easy method. Begin by soaking your fish maw in warm water until it softens and becomes pliable. Rinse it well and trim any tough edges. Prepare a clear broth with chicken bones, ginger, and scallion, simmering gently for flavor. Add the softened maw near the end to avoid overcooking, then season lightly and serve warm. Start by soaking fish maw in warm water, changing the water every 30 minutes until soft. While it soaks, simmer a clean chicken broth with ginger and scallion for depth and clarity. Once the maw is soft, trim any tough parts and shred it into bite-sized pieces. Add the shredded maw to the hot broth near the end so it absorbs flavor without becoming too soft. Finish with light seasoning. Keep your broth at a gentle simmer so it stays clear and rich without clouding. Add the prepared fish maw toward the final 10 to 15 minutes of cooking to preserve its tender, gelatinous texture. Taste and season carefully with salt and a pinch of white pepper, and finish with a small splash of sesame oil for aroma. Garnish with sliced scallion or cilantro, and serve the soup warm for best company.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.